Morning, folks. My name is Michael Marrow, coming to you from MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. Today, I'm going to take you through this brand new Galeon 550 Fly. So we're starting here on the swim platform. First, I'm going to show you this boat comes equipped with a captain's quarters, and in here you have a full shower, a full head, a bunk, and full engine room access that you can walk into. Looking down, this whole submersible swim platform comes out and back, and as it does come down, these cascade down into steps, so it bridges that gap between the boat and the swim platform. Let's head up into the cockpit. So welcome to the cockpit of the 550 Fly. As you see, you have a nice teak deck that transitions from the swim platform into the cockpit. This table converts down into a half table, so it gives you more access for seating. But if you do want to have dinner out here with 6 to 8 people, you have the ability to do so at this table. Welcome to the galley of the 550 Fly. So this is galley F, this layout. So you have a full wraparound countertops with your canyon cooktop. Here's a sink with a nice cutting board, a double-sided sink, full refrigerator and freezer, cabinetry all around underneath, so you have ample storage that you can put all your food, your flatware, coffee pots, coffee makers, everything goes in here, stowed away, very nice and neat. You have countertops both here and here, and looking back over here on the starboard side, you have another pull-out refrigerator, and then you have more storage. The main area, the salon of the 550 Fly. So this table goes down. There's a cushion that encompasses this, so you can make this a day bed. So as you're sitting here, the TV comes up through here, so you can sit down, watch a movie, enjoy your friends. And then if you're even running the boat from down below, you have a full helm here, all your switches, everything's forward, everything's easy. Twin ray marine systems. This boat comes equipped with a Seakeeper, digital throttle system, Ray Marine AIS, VHF is over here on the side. So everything's right here for you. And it's nice, so if you are taking a long trip and you want to run down below, you can still run the boat from here and still have your family here right with you and still have a nice entertaining area as you're running down. If you notice on both bathrooms of the Galeon 500 Fly, you'll see the detail in the showers with the mosaic tiling and the bench seating. And then if you come out of your shower, you'll see the nice layout of the cabinetry, the sinks, and the head, as well as the natural sunlight. Welcome to the VIP stateroom of the 550 Fly. I know I keep saying it in this video, but look at the storage that we have in this stateroom. Galeon truly goes over the top with utilizing their space and their boats. So we have even a small vanity here for when you wake up. You can sit on the corner of the bed, you can put your jewelry, makeup, whatever you want to put in here. And then again, this is all usable space. Even down here, you have a little closet down here, a half closet on that side. You have your own private zone air condition, as well as plugs for charging purposes up at the head of the bed. But the nice part about this as well, you have access to your shared head right in your bedroom, so you don't have to leave the confines of your stateroom. Okay, welcome to the master stateroom of the 550 Fly. So it's a full beam stateroom. This is my favorite part of the stateroom. So you got a little nook over here with a nice vanity, full mirror, opens up into similar like a medicine cabinet, so to speak, but it's just more storage. Then you walk around, you have your nice flat screen TV, full-size bed, and look at the size of this closet. You have tons of room to store your clothes or whatever you need to store. And then all surrounded over here, this is all storage as well. So Galeon goes as far utilizing all their space. If you look down on both sides of the bed, even you have little cabinetry there, and then you have little night lights on both sides of the bed as well. This is the third stateroom of the Galeon 550 Fly. As you see, it's a twin bed setup. If you look up into the starboard side, you'll see all the ample storage and a full closet. So this is a great room for children and extra guests. On the 550 Fly. As you can see, there's a ton of space up here for entertaining, being with your family, being with your friends. So if you look at this wraparound seating here, you can sit easily 8 to 10 adults, if not more. And then if you want to have dinner, you can simply fold these table arms down, expand your table even more. That's the size of a living room or dining room table right there. So you can wrap around, entertain. The lights go on at night. The sunshade goes all the way back, it retracts. If you look forward, you have the same helm as you do down below. It's all the same controls, digital throttle system, your balanced stern throttle, thruster, engines, all your switches, your marine, your readouts of your engine, and your autopilot. And your stereo heads up here. So you have everything here that you have down below to operate this boat. Not to mention a huge sunbed up here, which is very comfortable as you're cruising and going throughout your day. We hope you enjoyed your tour through our brand new Galeon 550 Fly. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to call us, MarineMax Somers Point, at 609-926-0600. We'll see you on the way.